Okay. Let's see an example. A gain phase plot of a linear control system is shown in the figure below. This is the gain phase plot given to us. This is gain, this is phase in degrees, this is in dB. This line is 30 dB, 0 dB, minus 30 dB, and this line is minus 270 degree, minus 180 degree, minus 90 degree. Okay. The gain phase plot starts from here, omega equal to 0, and ends here, omega equal to infinite. Okay. We have to tell the gain margin and phase margin. The options are gain margin greater than 0 dB, this is in dB, and phase margin greater than 0 degree. Gain margin greater than 0 dB and phase margin less than 0 dB, 0 degree. Gain margin less than 0 dB and phase margin greater than 0 degree. Gain margin less than 0 dB and phase margin less than 0 degree. Out of these four, we have to select which one is the correct option. Okay. So if you have seen the gain phase plot video of mine, then you can see the curve is crossing from here above minus 180 degree point. You can see the curve is crossing. So here, if you will see, this point will be omega PC and this point will be omega GC. Why? Because it is cutting 0 dB, here it is cutting minus 180 degree. So you can say omega GC is greater than omega PC. So from here only you can say system is unstable. Okay, unstable, because omega GC is greater than omega PC. For stable system, omega PC is greater than omega GC. Okay, so you can directly say GM is less than 0 and PM is also less than 0. Okay, if you want to see the values, this will be the values and this will be the values, the distance. Okay, this distance and this distance. So if you will see, this point is not known to us. That's the reason we can't tell the exact value, and this point is also not known, so we can't tell the exact difference. So that's gain, and if you will do this gain 1 by gain, that's not in dB. Okay, the distance I am talking about. So whatever the distance will be, it's in dB, convert it into numerical form, and 1 upon gain will be GM, which comes out to be less than 0. Okay, and here if you will see, the difference will be in degrees, which is phase margin. Okay, in degrees. So since the values are not given to us, you can't say the exact values, but because of the omega PC and omega GC, you can judge that system is stable and unstable, and when the system is unstable, both of them are less than 0. Okay, so answer would be D, gain margin less than 0 dB and phase margin less than 0 degree. Okay.